Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming network and accounts so the rest works smoothly. Make sure the Redmi TV and your phone or laptop share the same Wi-Fi. This enables device discovery. Once done, sign into the same Google account on YouTube Mobile and, if possible, on the TV app. Make sure both apps are updated to avoid version mismatches. Now open the YouTube app on the TV and leave it on the home screen while you move to your phone. Now you perform the pairing step that actually links the two devices. On the TV, open YouTube and navigate to Settings, then link with TV code. A short numeric code appears. On your phone, open YouTube, tap Cast, and look for the Redmi TV in the device list, or choose Enter TV code and type the numbers you saw. Select the TV to connect. Once paired, video controls on your phone become a remote. Use them to play, pause, and cue. Finish by sending content to the TV and confirming controls. Pick a video on your mobile YouTube app, tap the cast icon, and choose the Redmi TV. Playback should shift to the big screen immediately. Use your phone to control volume, seek, and playlists while the TV displays video. If casting fails, first restart the YouTube apps, then reboot both TV and router. If that doesn't fix it, reopen the TV code screen and repeat the pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.